Welcome to Small Tire Monster Garage. This is my crew, Sage, my AI assistant, Terror, my AI monster, and Draggy, the tech guy. Good morning, Sage. What's on the schedule for today?
Bring the S10 in, and we have all the parts to work on it, and I put them on the counter.
Pull the S10 forward so we can put this giant cam in. We need to use the bigger cam.
No, that is a bad idea.
It's not leaking coolant, it's just sweating horsepower. I want to torque the heads first. I could break bolts just as fast as you can. If the bolt don't fit, just hammer it custom. Oh no! Here he comes! Hurry up and hide before he sees us! Why are you hiding when we got chaos to create?
We have gremlins in the garage. Find them and get them out before they mess up this job.
You need to go. You're not going to mess this job up.
This will never run again! This will never run again! This will never run again! This will never run again!
Now it's time to rebuild this and make a beast for the track so we can hit it with nitrous.
This engine belongs to the dark side now.
We're putting a 106 grind cam in this S10. I'll race you any day.
All you need to do to fix it is hit it harder.
Which camshaft are we using?
We have 299 and 305 duration. We have 562 and 588 lift on a 106 grind.
We're gonna need it when I put my foot in it.
Specs. So we can get this cam in the engine before Terror gets here. And tries to put that humongous cam in. This camshaft profile has aggressive duration. Go wider on lobe separation.
We should pick up horsepower, which will calculate into ET.
That drops our ET to the mid-10s.
Belongs to the dark side now.
This is nothing but junk.
This engine belongs to the dark side now.
Junk! This is all just a pile of useless junk. I cannot do anything with this junk.
Is 299 and 305 duration and lift 562 and 580 with a 106 center line. It will definitely give us horsepower and torque.
No, Draggy, we need to use this cam. The bigger, the better.
We stuck a 106 grind cam. It's gonna hit harder than you hit in the gym on leg day.
These are the heads for the S10.
We should pick up horsepower and torque, which will calculate into ET.
And 60 foot.
It'll leave harder than ever before.
Heads, we should pick up horsepower and torque. And that will calculate to 60 foot and ET for the track.
This will never run again! This will never run again! All you need to do to fix it is hit it harder.
Terror is calling people on the phone. He wants to race the S10.
Terror, stop calling people and saying you want to race them with the S10.
All you need to do to fix it is hit it harder.
We're building this engine for nitrous. Will it go or will it blow? You just have to tighten it until it cracks.
You expect this piece of junk to run? You must be joking if you think this machine will actually start up today. Thanks for watching Small Tire Monsters. Like, share, and subscribe to follow along on our wacky build and our drag racing adventures.